Hi teacher, I am going to speak about natural disaster in Ecuador. There are many kinds of natural disaster, but the most important, for my opinion, are volcanic activity in Ecuador is mainly concentrated in the Andes mountain. This is a consequence of the complex interaction that has developed between the tectonic plates. Tungurahua volcano eruption in 2001, 50,000 people were evacuated, and there were also health effects due to ash emission. Ecuador is exposed to constant earthquakes. This has a direct causes in the interaction of the Nazca and South American tectonic plates. The earthquake of April 2016. The epicenter was in the city of Pedernales. The magnitude of this earthquake was 7.8 on the Richter scale. According to the ONU, 1 million people were affected due to this natural disaster. The total number of fatalities were 700 people. Many people lost their houses. Flood is intense rain for a short period of time where the capacity of the soil to absorb in exile and to the rivers begin to rise. Flood in Quito 2022. At least 30 people lost their lives as a result of the landslide caused by massive flooding that affected the capital of Ecuador. The alluvion causes an avalanche of mud, water, and rocks that washed away a city avenue, vehicles, and flooded houses and blocked streets. Thank you, teacher.